Jagoro mongirore migawo mochung'ne yuto mag nam Jofri Kaituko kone pinje mantiere Afrika onego bi kanyakla maneno kanyakla negi nyalo tego chumi mekgie yor ohala mitimo e nam. Kanoloso Mombasa, jagoro nokoni en ayanga ne pinje maoko mantiere kod meli madongo masani yudo yuto mag nam e pinje mag Afrika. Thuolo mokoni onego kaw gi pinje mantiere Afrika kabende owacho ni pinje gonjo ni biro kanyakla matimo ohala. Jokanyo mane sekta mar meli koni pinje Afrika onego jol kembe matindo mag meli matimo ohala kindgi giwegi kapok giyudo thuolo mar dhi e pinje maoko. Matimore seche ma pinje 28 manie pinje Afrika chano bago romo magalamoro dwe mar 11 Mombasa mano matwak ewi chenro mag bero chumi e yor yuto mawuok e nam.
Coastlines, abundant natural resources and a rapidly growing population. With more than 38,000 kilometers of coastline, Africa is blessed with tremendous maritime potential. However, for many years, this potential has been underutilized. International shipping lines have dominated maritime trade, often to the detriment of African nations.
We are yet to put up that kind of a framework to allow our upcoming shipping companies to be able to go into the shallow waters and build the capacity so that they can be able to become also quite vibrant in this whole business of shipping, because that is where the real blue economy resources are domiciled. As you are aware, we pay as high as 600 billion from the shipping services. And so if you don't penetrate and enter that particular area, you just get bypassed. And you don't get as much from this blue economy coming from the logistics aspect of it.
We talk a lot about the blue economy, and until today, if I may say so, if you permit me, yes, okay. It's a theory. We need to go into action, because people think I just go out there, catch fish, bring it and sell it and make money. There's a lot more benefit that we can gain from the ocean, because there's not only fish, there's also other species that we can exploit sustainably.